Guys, welcome back. So today we have a completely different project. We're taking a break off of go-karts and we're going to be working on this thing right here. It's a BMW 2006 325i N52 inline 6. Really nice white interior. The back is really nice over here. This is the non-LCI, which kind of sucks. The LCI looks way better, but we got a little bit of damage up in the front. It's not too bad. Brand new tires. This car was really taken care of nicely. So in this video, we're gonna try to get it really nice and cleaned up, pop out every single trunk, all that stuff, get all the junk out of it, and then we'll start sourcing parts, whatever we need, which is, hood, bumper, a bunch of minor stuff, and this will be our little project for a few videos. So yeah, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so right now after the engine, we cleaned it up, it dried up a little bit. We bought this applicator pad from Walmart. It was like $2 for both of them. And then also this stuff right here, Ultimate Black, also from Walmart. They say this stuff is really good on plastic. I've watched a few videos from Meguiar's, and we just want to get a few of the black plastics just to get this engine bay looking a little bit better. And then we'll also put a before and after picture, just to have a good comparison of the products. Alright guys, so I just take this little bit amount, squirt it on there, kind of get it into the pad, and then you're just gonna go in circular motions on all the plastics. Usually this is better for the black plastics. Plastics like this gray, it's not really gonna make a big difference. So just try to get all of your black plastics and it will turn out a lot better. Car will look brand new. So not brand new, but you get the idea. Alrighty guys, so I just went ahead and finished as much as I can. I will go over it more a little bit later, but I will put before and after pictures, put both of those up. There are a few things that are a little bit loose, like this airbox right here, some of this stuff. I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten them up. So usually it's just like 10 millimeters. Get that on a little bit better. Alrighty guys, so in the pictures, it was really clean. I can go ahead and put those up, but sadly the auction or the employees, whatever they did, they messed it up. Like, it's really dirty. I'll put pictures just to show you guys what it was like. So we'll go ahead and clean it up. I don't think we'll be able to get all the dirt out of it. Maybe you're gonna have to get like a water extracting vacuum or something and really get it, but luckily we have mats, so I mean, we'll just put it over if anything. So yeah. Alrighty guys, so the inside, it's not too dirty. I mean, these little handles have some gunk in it, but we'll go ahead and vacuum this up. Not too much work. Alrighty guys, so you just saw us clean up the whole car, engine bay, nice little detail, did all the plastics. We cleaned the interior, it's really nice. It's not like the dirt that we had anymore. We also did the trunk. The rear was clean, so we honestly didn't even touch that. We had an issue with the aux button, so we went ahead and took apart some trim. Didn't film any of that, it was kind of unnecessary. So stay tuned for the next video when we're going to be doing the front of the car. This headlight, some of the tabs are broken, hood. I'm not sure what we're going to do with the hood yet. Bumper needs to get completely replaced. So yeah, that is going to be all done next video. And then we're going to go ahead and register it, do anything else that we need to do to it. And then this will be our daily, I guess. I don't even know. So yeah, stay tuned. Subscribe.